right, good morning everyone. Let's do our number of the day. So our number of the day today is the same number that is our date. So if you watched the calendar already, you will know that our number of the day today is 12. Okay, so let's start at the beginning like we normally do. Let's go ahead and write the number 12 right here. So that's going to be a 1, so straight down, and that's going to be a 2, so that's a hook. Almost like a backward C, come down and then make a straight bottom. 12. Okay, awesome. All right, so let's start with, let's do tally marks today. Let's start with that. So when we get to a group of 5, we're going to make the diagonal. All right, so count with me. When we get to 4, we'll stop and make the diagonal. All right, are you ready? Here we go. Let's make them kind of small today because we're going to need to fit more in the box. So here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and now make 5, diagonal. All right, start a new group. 6, 7, 8, 9, now stop. 10 is the diagonal. See, 2 groups of 5, 5, 10. We have 10. Now on the bottom here, we make 11 and 12. All right, so it's 5, 10, 11, 12. All right. Okay, let's draw 12 objects over here in this box. So today, let's do, let's do 12 bees for butterfly, since we've been talking about butterflies. Let's make them capital B's, okay? So we're gonna make 12 bees in the box. Are you ready? Okay, and I'm again gonna do mine in rows of 5. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good so far? All right, now let's do another row. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 10, and just like our tallies, then we make 11 and 12. See it? 5, 10, 11, 12. Now let's do the same thing in the hands at the bottom, counting by 5s. Now we know a whole hand makes 5, and we have 2 groups of 5. So we're going to go ahead and color. I'm going to do it over here this time. 2 whole hands, right? Because 1 whole hand is 5, and another hand is 5. Don't forget that little thumb. Okay, so color in 2. So that's 5, 10, and then on this hand we just need 2 more. 1, 2, right? Let me fill these in a little bit. So 5, 10, 11, 12. 5, 10, 11, 12. 5, 10, 11, 12. See how that works? Yep, 5s are a nice way to quickly count when we're higher than 10, right? Okay, so let's do 1 before, 1 after. So if you're counting, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 11 is the number that comes before 12. 11, 12. Yep, 13 is the number that comes after. A 1 and a 3. So 11, 1, 1 comes before, and 1, 3, 13 comes after. All good? All right, the last part is write it in words. So we're gonna spell the word 12. I'm gonna write it up here like I normally do, and then I'll move it down here. So for you, and boys and girls, anytime you're doing this in the morning, if I'm going too fast, you can put the video on pause, and then you can finish up what you're doing, and then hit play again, and then it starts right back up. So don't feel like you have to rush if I'm going too fast. Just remember, you can hit the pause button, and then, or you can reverse it and watch it again if you need to, if you miss a part or anything. So don't worry about that. Okay, so we're spelling out 12. Here we go. So it's T, and then W, and then E. Oh, that was not a very good E. There we go. And then L, and then V, and then another E. 12. T-W-E-L-V-E. And I'm going to write it in down here, although you probably are already working on that. So I'm going to switch it over. So T, W, E, L, V, E. 12. That's 2 groups of 5 plus 2 more, right? 10, 11, 12. So that's our number of the day, 12, which is also our date. So awesome. All right, really quickly, I'm going to show you. I was working a little bit on my story with the number 7 that we did yesterday. I hope that you were able, excuse my finger for a minute. I hope you were able to start making a fun story in your writer's notebook with one of our numbers. You might even do 12 today and make a story about 12 of something. So I was continuing with my butterfly picture with the number 7. So I made my 7 butterflies. 1, 2, 3, 4 little ones. 4, 5, 6, 7. I put 7 apples on my tree. I made my 7 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there's 7 caterpillars hidden on my page. Shall we find them? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, there's a hidden one. Oh, 7. And so when I was drawing this, I was thinking, I'm going to write a really fun story about these 7 caterpillars and the adventures that they're getting into here. You see them on the flowers. This one's climbing the tree. Uh-oh, this one got all the way up here and a few over here. So I'm going to be making a story today about my butterflies and caterpillars. And stay tuned for that. I will have that for you to read to you tomorrow. Hopefully you've been able to do something fun. We also talked about maybe you want to do something fun like a space story. I haven't finished the picture here. Maybe of 7 aliens, or maybe 12 today. 12 aliens, 12 stars, some craters, or maybe you're writing a story about dinosaurs or anything else that's robots. There could be lots of fun things that you write stories about. Fairies, maybe you want to do a story about special little fairies or cats or creatures or whatever you want. So I'll be interested if you finish a story, publish one, please let me know. Or maybe your moms or dads could send a picture of you reading it or them reading it so I could hear your story. I would love that, just like we share them in class. So, all right, boys and girls, and have fun. And I will see you in a few minutes for your caterpillar update. Take care.